What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see, and again, it is indeed raining, cuz. And today, man, if you can't tell by the title, man, I'm gonna be driving. Y'all see traction is off. You know what I'm saying? It's not completely off, but it's in sport, man. We're gonna, just see how it is, man. Driving in the rain with traction off, you know what I'm saying? What happens? You know, just a little entertainment, nothing too crazy. Little Hellcat action, that's what I call it. Could do what Hellcats do when they're dry. You know what I'm saying? When you're just trying to cruise. Oh, let me get back. I gotta angle this mud just right. You know, this that low life right here. Shout out to Future. Ugly. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. If you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, man. You know what I'm saying? We keeping that consistency going. You feel me? We ain't gonna go too crazy, but we just gonna see, like, little small baby pools, man, with it like in the rain. I can't roll the window down because it's raining. You know what I'm saying? I don't got the little rain guards. If y'all boy want to hook a brother up with some rain guards, you know what I'm saying? Let me know something. We're going to do a little downshift though. Already, cuz. I ain't going to do it through no puddle though. That's just, doing a little too much, You know what I'm saying? We ain't going through no puddle with it, but I'm seeing too many niggas. You feel me? Oh, let me just slow down. We're gonna run through it. Look at them. Caught him on camera. Coach. Caught him on camera, coach. Go get him. Let that be me now. That would have been me, car crew. That would have been on my behind. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, finna just see, what's it like driving in the rain with traction off. Even though we should know. And with no tires. I don't really got no tires either. So, that's really what it is. I mean, I got a little tire. I mean, I got a tread on here, you know what I'm saying? But it ain't like, it ain't just like, this is great. Especially for rain, but that mother spun, but it just went straight. So that's how your car supposed to be, you know what I'm saying? When that mother spin, it goes straight, you know what I'm saying? But in third gear, it don't spin that bad until you get to like about 4K RPM. Now second, anywhere from 2K to the end, you're gonna spin. But just a little short POV drive, man, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna give y'all a longer one, but I just be as I go, and I think of ideas. That's what I'm gonna do, you feel me? So, yeah. I should've went to the left. Should've went to the left, but it's all good. Little quick POV, man. That boy might be short, I'm not gonna lie, so y'all boy don't be mad, man. It's gonna at least be past 5 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Y'all attention span short anyway, so it don't even really matter. Can't nobody watch 10-minute videos no more. Everybody want an Instagram reel and want 30 minutes worth of video in 1 minute. Which is impossible and a waste of time. But, to each his own, man. That's what y'all like, man. I'm gonna do a little second gear. It definitely slid that time. I bet your folk probably like, what is wrong with this lunatic? Earthworm back at? That mug is sliding though. Y'all see the RPM, bro, going straight down. And I ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it, bro. But yeah, man. For some folks, I'm gonna give y'all a little tutorial right quick for the folks that don't know. When you're driving in the rain, bro, your car feel like it's sliding a little bit or whatever the case may be. You trying to have a little fun or you trying to get out of the way. Bro, just let out the gas, bro. Like, it's common sense. I know most of y'all gonna be like, oh, we know that already. But a lot of folks don't know that, bro. Truth be told. A lot of folks don't know that, man. Look at that. Trash. But no. But for real though, like, just get out the gas, bro. You ain't gotta hit the brakes or nothing for real. It's wet, bro. The brakes ain't gonna help you. That's what folks don't be realizing, bro. When it's wet outside, you slamming on brakes not helping you, bro. Not when you like in that kind of situation. Now if you like in the parking lot, something flied in front of you, you ain't going that fast, okay, yeah, the brake might help, but you still gonna slide a little bit. But bro, hold on, let me get out on one more. That traction low key helping. It's low key helping. But that bit definitely twisting and turning though. Oh no, see when it's on different pavement, it's different. So they good pavement right here. They good traction pavement right here. But yeah, like I was saying though, you know what I'm saying? When you dang, I'm a train of thought. But yeah, like, you know what I'm saying, when you just don't brake, bro. Braking hard in the rain does not help. It kind of low-key make it worse, because like the wheels ain't got no control now. Your front tires ain't got no traction because you just locking them up and I just gliding across the water. Now once it get into a little dry spot, it'll slow down, but it's already the momentum and the weight, bro. These cars too heavy. The momentum and weight, it's already too late, you feel me? It's already too late, cuz. So it's just like, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, that ain't gonna do it, brother. Let me park real quick. See, I got the rain in the way. I can't see now. I gotta use my old school skill. You know what I'm saying? Y'all young bucks don't know nothing about that, man. Using your side mirror to back up. All y'all got these rear view cameras. I don't know nothing about that, man. But I'm finna finish talking. Hold on, I'm just trying to get it right. You know, this that big body. You know what I'm saying? Every parking spot a little small compared to these, one of these. Look at that. Let me go over a little bit more, man. I'm a big boy, I gotta get out. But yeah, man, like I was saying though, just don't hit the brakes, bro. Just let out the gas, you know what I'm saying? Counter steer and try to keep the car in the lane you in or whatever the case may be. You gotta do it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just do that, car crew, cause folks that be sitting there panicking. Like, I know y'all seen that one video with the white boy in the blue Hellcat. He had hit the gas through a puddle and slid all the way across 4 lanes, bro, into a parked car or some kind of shop or something. And like, just like that, bro. That's why I said, if you're gonna hit the gas in the rain, like I was just saying, don't go through a puddle hitting the gas, bro. It don't matter if you got good tires or not. A puddle is like literally, if it's even 2 centimeters off the ground, bro, you gonna skate right across it like you skipping a rock. You feel me? So it don't matter what kind of tires you got, bro. So it ain't even worth it, bro. Now when it's like just wet, like, you know what I'm saying, like how you look at the ground, it's wet, but it's not like a water spot, or you can see the water sitting there, then you know what I'm saying, you straight. But when it's just like a puddle, bro, you already know you're gonna spin out. So you might as well not even hit the gas, bro. Just feather the pedal, or just let out the pedal completely, glide through it, and then, you know, continue to slowly accelerate, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, just a quick little 1-2, man. But y'all see, if y'all want another one of these, a longer version of these, man, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Driving in the rain do be fun, cutting up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Obviously safely, you know what I'm saying? But it do be kind of fun, man, just to like, you know what I'm saying, get wicked without having to do nothing too crazy. But anyway, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell. I ain't my jacket look like I ain't even got nothing on. My bad. I still, I'll return it. Anyway, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Comment down below what other videos you would like to see, man. You know what I'm saying? Where you're from. Like last time I asked what kind of car you drive. All that, man. You know what I'm saying? Where my Mopar brothers at and sisters at, you know what I'm saying? Or if there are any Ford people watching, Chevy, whoever, you know what I'm saying? Honda. I'll tap in the comment section down below, man. But anyway, man, like I also say for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. Stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? Build that faith, man. Keep that faith. You know what I'm saying? Times get dark. But you know what I'm saying? He gonna bring you through it, man. You just gotta believe and trust in him. You know what I'm saying? And move in his timing, move in his way, man. I know we try to like take control of everything ourselves, man, and want it in a timely manner, but everything happens for a reason. You never understand why until later on when you receive what you've been asking for. So y'all boys just remember that, man. But like I also say, man, not the end of my videos, I'm out of here. My yesterday. Peace.